Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and if you're looking for wings and things, then we've got you covered with the Noble version 1 and version 2 roof spoilers for the Gen 2 BRZ and GR86. Let's go! That's right, we got both the version 1 and version 2 spoilers on the bench today. This product adds style to an area on the car that otherwise can be a little lackluster. Both spoilers are mounted high on the rear glass with your choice of aggressive styling. The V1 is a straightforward look, while the V2, otherwise known as the attack spoiler, has the raised edges with a lowered center. These items come ready to install in your choice of gloss or matte black and even paint matched finishes. Speaking of installation, let's throw one of these bad boys on right now. First, we're going to wipe the window down with some ammonia-free glass cleaner and a clean microfiber. Next, we're going to wipe the mating surface down clear of any dust, debris, or dirt. Now we can apply our 3M tape to the mating surface of the wing. Once we've applied all the 3M tape, we can peel back our plastic film. Now's a good time to have a friend so that we can apply this thing right the first time. There we go, and since we're working with 3M tape, we're going to want to let this cure for at least 24 hours in a steady 75-degree weather. So thanks a lot for taking a look at the Noble V1 and V2 rear roof spoilers for the Gen 2 BRZ and GR86. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we will catch you on the next one.